Have you seen that, guys? No more hiccups. If your baby is having hiccups that won't stop, what you do is you have to breastfeed your child. And once the child breastfeeds, there will be no more hiccups. You see, this one is too small to drink water, so I can't give her water. I just breastfeed her, and that is all. The hiccup goes away. So do the same thing and keep your child healthy. Unajua hiccups husumbua mtoto sana, zinamfanya anachoka hadi mbavu. Okay, so thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I love you.